Let's dig in to the infrastructure projects that are transforming our local landscape. We are in Donnelly, just before you cross over the S Bridge, and they are developing this little over 4 acres here on Don Drive. So the final plat on this particular neighborhood was submitted in January of 2023 and was approved in March of 2023. They have a total of 14 lots going in here on the 4 acres. 13 of those are residential single family, and they have 1 common lot. These lots, as you can see now, have the driveways going in. They'll have 6 shared driveways. These lots actually overlook Lake Cascade, and I'm not 100% sure what's going on them. I'm guessing it's going to be tiny homes, and I don't know if those are going to be on some sort of rental program or if they're going to be sold individually. But there's a lot of people out there that have called that are interested in doing a project similar to this. So when you drive down Don Drive, you'll actually notice that there are 2 wellheads positioned about every 100 feet. One of the biggest benefits about the Osprey Point subdivision is that you're located right next to the Donnelly Boat Dock and Park. So if you're looking for more information on building a neighborhood that has 14 lots on 4 acres, you definitely want to keep an eye on this project. So stay informed about your community's growth. And if you want more information, subscribe to the channel. If there's a project specifically that you're interested in, don't hesitate to reach out.